everybody, it's me, the Mean Pickle, back with another video today, not too gay. My camera is a little broken right now, so you don't really have to worry about that right now. It's gonna be like this. Ooh, where's the final joint? Don't worry about never mind. But there's a new Piggy Hollewenn update if you don't check the icon. Alright, let's see. Alright, that's new, but let's see. Wait a minute, why did Polly get deleted? No. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna check how Polly got deleted. Description said he got moved. Alright, I'm not ready for that yet. But it said he got moved into Skins Extra. Crove, Pumpkin Piggy, these are the two new ones you could ride, 300 and 500. I don't like Pumpkin Piggy, I'm saving up for Crove. Oh, there's Polly. And oh yeah, in the forest I did a little ritual, and beating it, and that's how I got Mr. Stichy. I'm gonna equip him. And also I did something in the alley, so I have Tombstone Trap. Alright, now for the do. Let's play Book 1. Still my camera's still buggy. Alright, wait, still, let's hop you in. Alright, how about we do... I forget about mall. So let's do mall. House. Our house. And I want to be the pig. And I'm going to show you some Halloween decorations since there's some on different maps like carnival, alleys, and house is one of the ones that have the Halloween decorations. It's awesome. And also, if someone builds the skeleton and gives it a rose, you also get the tombstone trap. White and red eyes. Look right there. White, red. Who is that? And it might be Mr. Stichy. And let me look at his eyes. Yeah, red. Hey, look, it's just a black bot. Oh, my head, it's missing. That's a fun little Easter egg you can make. And he's a teddy bear. Some Halloween decorations that well, these new secret notes written by Mrs. Stichy himself. What the? What? His limbs go away when he climbs. Alright, that's weird. Mrs. Stichy is pretty tall. Me too. Oh yeah, I'm always still. Oh yeah, guys. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Mr. Stichy. Pretty original, but still, the skin's very cool. So, next I'm going to show you whatever it's called, Tombstone Traps do. I'm going to call it Tomb, because that's what it's supposed to be. Alright, we're going to do, we're not going to, alright, this time we're going to do school. Set mode play. And me. Oh, I'm not doing school. If it's school, I'm telling you, it's commands. Works every time. And I'm going to show you what the tombstone traps do. It's gonna be pretty easy. And this time I'm gonna control Weasel. It's Weasel! Or me. Commands. The walkie-talkie got updated. Mr. P, I forgot he got first introduced at the cutscene of the forest. My wings blocking Mr. Stichy. And whatever. But look, it's seriously has nobody. It's black. It kind of reminds me of Slender. I'm going to move this. Slash. And 2. What the? Never messing around. Where is Weasel? I'm gonna make him go to the spawn. And I'm gonna show you another sighting of Mr. Stichy himself. Kind of reminds me of Freddy Fazbear that I don't play Freddy Fazbear Pizzeria because I don't really like them. Don't say Freddy's the best one kind. Oh, hi, Mr. Weasel. You're gonna have to run away right now. This is one of the best sightings you could get, Mr. Stichy. Right here. Right behind the sign. That's Mr. Stichy. He's all black, but he's a red eye, and then the red eye with the pimple, and then just the white. Alright, I'm gonna press the tombstone trap. Let's see what they look like. Whoa, that's really cool. Eyes. Right? Sorry, little pause. And my camera's still broken. I won't. And well, oh my gosh! It makes Piggy. Alright. Alright. And then Piggy goes back into the ground. I'm gonna do another one so you could see better. I'm gonna stand back. Alright. Weasel. Tombstone trap. Tombstone trap. Weasel. Ah! Piggy comes out the ground. Piggy. And then, after a while, Piggy goes back into the ground. That's one of the coolest mechanics I ever saw. And that's the first trap to spawn in an NPC. And that's like the only thing other than build mode you could have NPCs. Whoa. Thank you, Weasel. Now, Weasel, are you scared? Weasel, are you scared? Yeah. Yeah, he's scared. Oh yeah, I'm Weasel, so I'm not scared. Oh, I could see better out the window than the player. Was cool. It's easier, but on the player it only shows like the white and red eyes. Stitchy! I could see Mr. Stitchy. The cool thing is he has a lantern. Hey, Mr. Stitchy, can I come meet you? Because I'm Mr. Stitchy. I don't have enough coins for Clove, but when I do, I will play him. But that's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope you liked Mr. Stitchy. In a later video, I'm gonna show you how you get him. And bye, guys.